Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. Today we're talking about the latest chip-related drama that's hitting Wall Street, China's retaliatory tariffs on American goods. Specifically, we're looking at how it could impact Intel and Qualcomm stocks. Intel, one of the biggest players in the semiconductor industry, is feeling the pinch from these new tariffs. The struggling chip maker generates a whopping 29% of its revenue from China, which is a huge chunk to lose. And that's exactly what's happening. All U.S. products will now face a 34% tariff in Beijing starting April 10th. Now, let's take a look at Qualcomm's situation. As one of the leading smartphone chip makers, they rely heavily on Chinese demand for their products. In fact, last year, more than 43% of Qualcomm's revenue came from China. That's a huge portion to lose. And with President Xi's retaliatory tariffs on American goods, Qualcomm is at risk of losing some of that business to rival chip makers like Huawei. But what does this mean for the stocks? Well, Intel shares are already down over 20% since its year-to-date high, and with these new tariffs, things could get even worse. On the other hand, analysts on Wall Street are still optimistic about Qualcomm's prospects. They're seeing an overweight rating on QCOM, which means they think it's a buy. And if you look at their target price, they're expecting Qualcomm to shoot up by over 45% from here. So what's driving this bullish view? One reason is the healthy dividend yield on Intel stock, a whopping 2.23%. But for Qualcomm, it's all about their chips in China. Analysts think that even if prices go up due to tariffs, Qualcomm will still be able to undercut their competitors and come out on top. In any case, we'll be keeping a close eye on these two stocks as the situation develops. If you're a Qualcomm investor or just curious about what's going on in the chip world, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Qualcomm Pulse content.